Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I am your professor Mr. Doi and I am making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Minoh Park. Minoh Park is a large nature park in Minoh City, Osaka. It's a popular place to enjoy beautiful nature in every season. In autumn, many people visit to see the colorful red and yellow leaves. The park is also known for Minoh Waterfall, a famous spot. It's very pretty with autumn colors. In 2023, Minoh Park was chosen as one of the top 100 forest bathing spots in Japan. The park is easy to reach. It's just a short walk from Hankyu Minoh Station. From the station, there is a 2.7 kilometer walking path called Takimichi that leads to the waterfall. Along the way, you can find souvenir shops, cafes, and place selling momiji tempura, a snack made from maple leaves. You might also see wild monkeys in the area. Recently, more foreign visitors are coming. There are English signs and multi-language vouchers, so it's easy for first-time visitors. The Minoh Visitor Center also offers a nature tour and events where you can learn more about the plants and the animals in the park. Minoh Park is close to Osaka City, so it's perfect for a day trip. If you want to enjoy nature and relax, Minoh Park is a great place to visit. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.